Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my website. My name is Amira. In this stage I'm going to talk about HTML validation. After completing your web page, there are a few important tasks or needs to be taken into consideration before uploading the website. As I said earlier, it's really important to keep your website compatible with all different web browsers. Here I'm gonna show you a link, a website known as browsershots.org. This website helps you to basically go through your website in different browsers. It's sort of like taking your code and putting it in different browsers and giving you a snapshot showing you how your website that you designed is going to look like in different browsers. So let me put this, for example, let's try Yahoo and see how is Yahoo going to look like in Mozilla, Navigator, Firefox, Opera, and a lot of different other websites like Safari even. After clicking submit, you will receive a link, and by referring to that link, basically you will have the chance to see how Yahoo is gonna look like in all these different browsers. Let me show you a couple of them. Look at here, how is gonna look like in Navigator. It's completely okay, but it's gonna look like a little bit dodgy in Kangaroo, and SeaMonkey it looks perfect, and other websites like Safari it's not going to show anything. And let me show you another one which is pretty cool. It's in MSIE 5.5 Windows 2000. This is the way Yahoo gonna look like. So as you can see, in some of the web pages the picture is not showing on perfectly. Some of them, each one of them gonna look like kinda different, and this really helps you out to find out what are the problems with your website, and you can fix it, and then you can submit it again and exactly see and you can even here download the 52 screenshots, which is like 10 megabyte, and see what was the problem with your website and what is the reason this is looking like that. Let me give you an example. Today I sat down and I tried to make a website, and I spent a couple of hours and I started making the website, and this is what my website look like. I started making this website in HTML code. I made my frames and everything, and pretty much I did a good job. And well, I got my links, home, about me, the resume is here. I've got photography and a lot of other different parts that put in this website. And I was saying I'm done with my website, so I tried to upload it, and this is what does it look like. I got the links, but it's pretty different. I uploaded it and everything looks different, and it doesn't look at all like this website over here. So what is the reason? Why isn't my website looking like that? Well, some of the reasons can be related to the validation. Well, let me show you how to validate your website. In order to validate a page, for example, my page, I would like to validate it over here. I either can upload the file directly, or I can just put the URI over here and just check it. Or when I check my website, yeah, as you can see I have 32 errors, and these errors are pretty basic errors. The errors that I missed a part like that and I haven't completed it, and if I fix these errors, probably my website's gonna look way better in different browsers. And This website is very useful. It's known as validator. Let me zoom in here so you can see exactly what is the website. Yes, here is the website, validator.w3.org. And the other link I went and I referred to it. It's a very good link, very good website, and it gives a lot of information. It helps you how to make your website fully cross-browser. Cross-browser is a word people use basically like think the browser. It's going to be your website going to be compatible with all different browsers. Browsers like Mozilla and Safari and or Internet Explorer and all this stuff. So you see, basically, to have a cross-browser website, there are certain things, as you can see here, you have to follow. These links are very important. It's very important to go through each one of this one. This website is called designvitality.com, and believe me, this is very important information. Even as you can see here, even it's talking about Internet Explorer, net render, and how the browser shots with the website I just showed you guys. How does it work and how does it help you? And a lot of other information which could be really important, especially information about doc type. I'm sure there is somewhere here. And let's search doc type. Yeah, is here. Well, basically, doc type. Most of the browser errors is because of the doc type. Doc type is it's coming in the beginning of the code, and you basically introduce what kind of HTML you're using and whether which language would you be using. English, I don't know, Chinese, Japanese, or whatever language you're using. You could possibly put it in there and just let the browser to understand what kind of language you use and what is the content of your website. So these are very important information you need to get out of it, and it's really important to follow all this instruction so you can have a compatible, or as we said, cross-browser, fully cross-browser website. Well, here is another link. It's talking about the doc type, and it's very important information. This is a very good link as well. It's about the web design, and here is about the Explorer Exposed and different box, which is positions, everything.net Explorer, and this website is also very important. You can get a lot of information out of it. That's it about HTML validation. I hope you got information you needed, and you can manage to set your web page in order to have a harmony in different web browsers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with your web design. Thank you.